Here's one for my brainiac fellow inspectors to figure out. I've got a through-the-wall air conditioner unit mounted inside of a garage, a little finished room inside of a garage. So we got a little finished room with a light. Now, when I turn the air conditioner off, the lights go off. When I turn the air conditioner on, the lights come on. Off, on. When I turn the air conditioner to low, the lights dim. When I turn it to high, the lights come up bright. When I turn it off, the lights go off. Alright guys, what the heck's going on here? We've got a dedicated outlet that feeds the through-the-wall AC that controls the light. Well, what's up with that?